Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting review for you. We're diving into what I confidently call the best electric apple peeler and corer on the market, the tigwin apple peeler corer. This innovative kitchen gadget is designed to make your life easier, whether you're whipping up a delicious apple pie, preparing snacks, or just looking to save some time in the kitchen. Now, let's take a closer look at this fantastic tool. The tigwin apple peeler corer is made from durable chrome-cast magnesium alloy, ensuring longevity and sturdiness. Its sleek red design not only looks great but is also a testament to its high-quality construction. This peeler is equipped with stainless steel blades that provide a smooth and efficient peeling experience. Using the tigwin peeler is a breeze. Simply secure your apple with a powerful suction base that firmly grips any countertop. With just a few turns of the handle, the peeler quickly cores and slices the apple, giving you perfectly uniform slices that are ready to eat or cook with. This tool isn't just for apples. You can easily switch it up to peel potatoes and other fruits, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. What really sets this apple peeler apart is its thoughtful design. The blades can be adjusted for different tasks, whether you're peeling, coring, or slicing. You can remove the coring blade for potato peeling, enhancing its functionality. It's like having multiple tools in one. Another aspect worth mentioning is the customer support and warranty that come with this product. tigwin offers friendly customer support, along with a lifetime warranty, which shows their confidence in the durability of their product. You can purchase with peace of mind, knowing that you're covered if anything goes wrong. Imagine hosting a dinner party where you need to prepare multiple apple pies. The tigwin apple peeler can significantly cut down your prep time, allowing you to enjoy more time with your guests instead of spending it in the kitchen. And if you have kids, they will love helping out as they can easily use this gadget to create their own snacks. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, this peeler is user-friendly and incredibly efficient. It makes a perfect gift for anyone who loves to cook or bake. So, if you're looking to elevate your kitchen game, I highly recommend checking out the tigwin apple peeler corer. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the best kitchen gadgets. Until next time, happy cooking!